Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best umami explained is probably one of the most fascinating topics in the culinary world. It's the fifth taste, joining sweet, sour, bitter, and salty, and it's all about that savory, satisfying flavor. In this video, we're diving deep into what umami is, where it comes from, and how you can experience it in your own cooking. Get ready to unlock a whole new level of flavor. Number 5. Olde Thompson Umami Seasoning. This 6.8-ounce bottle is filled with a quality supply of our umami seasoning. This unique blend of onion, mushrooms, pepper, and spices adds a complex burst of flavor to your kitchen. This seasoning is ideal for seasoning meat, sauces, soups, or any dishes that need a potent lift in flavor. It will enhance your dishes. Ground umami is dynamic and versatile, perfect for any cuisine from Asian to Mexican to pizza, or on any savory appetizers and dishes. It can be used in many different ways. Ideal for use in commercial restaurant kitchens or at home for your personal culinary endeavors. You can create amazing dishes with it. Our tamper-proof bottle is designed to maintain the gourmet aromatic flavor profile of our umami seasoning. This will keep the seasoning fresh. What we like. This seasoning is a kitchen essential. Its versatile blend of onion, mushrooms, pepper, and spices adds a complex burst of flavor to any dish. If you're looking for a single seasoning to elevate your cooking across various cuisines, you should consider this. What people say. The blend of mushrooms, onions, and peppers adds a deep, satisfying flavor that instantly elevates meats, veggies, soups, and even pasta dishes. It seriously enhances the flavor of almost everything I cook, especially dishes with chicken and meat. The blend of savory mushrooms, onions, and peppers adds that deep, rich taste that makes meals feel more complete and satisfying. Number 4. Muso from Japan Black Garlic Umami Sauce. Introducing a savory sauce from Muso from Japan. It's packed with a rich, umami flavor, perfect for enhancing your dishes. This sauce features the unique taste of black garlic. The fermentation process creates a depth of flavor that's simply irresistible. Good news for everyone. This sauce is both vegan and gluten-free, making it a versatile addition to any diet. Each bottle contains 5.1 ounces of this delicious sauce. A little goes a long way to elevate your meals. This is a savory sauce that will transform your cooking. Try it today and experience the difference it makes. You can also get a pack of 6. Stock up and always have this amazing sauce on hand. What we like. This sauce features rich black garlic flavor. It's also vegan and gluten-free, making it accessible to many dietary needs. If you like a bold, savory flavor with a unique twist, you should consider this. What people say. This black garlic umami sauce is packed with deep, savory flavor that adds instant richness to dishes. It has a perfect balance of sweet, tangy, and umami notes that make it versatile for stir-fries, marinades, or even drizzling over vegetables. The texture is smooth and easy to blend, and just a small amount makes a big difference in flavor. Number 3. Micro Ingredients Organic Shiitake Mushroom Powder 8 ounces. Introducing a culinary superfood. This organic shiitake mushroom powder is perfect for enhancing your dishes. It's a simple way to boost your meals. This product supports both gut health and immune function. It's packed with nutrients and designed to help you feel your best. Incorporate it into your daily routine for added benefits. Use it in your favorite recipes. It's great for soups, stir-fries, and sauces. It adds a natural flavor to your cooking. It's made with 100% pure shiitake mushroom powder. There are no GMOs, additives, or artificial ingredients. You can trust its quality. A scoop is included for easy measurement. You can add it to shakes or smoothies. It's a convenient way to get your daily dose. Take it daily for quicker absorption and easier digestion. It's a fun and versatile way to enjoy the benefits of shiitake mushrooms. Try it today. What we like. This product is made from pure shiitake mushroom powder. It's designed to support gut and immune health, and it's easy to add to your daily routine. If you are looking for a natural way to boost your health and add umami, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect to add to stews and sauces for a deeper mushroom flavor. Add to pot roast, soups, and sauces to elevate natural flavor. Good product keeps well. This shiitake mushroom powder tastes great. I add it to my dishes and it adds some umami flavor to it. I'm really liking this shiitake mushroom powder. I find it super easy to use. For a healthy upgrade to my meals, I add it my soups, sauces, and smoothies. The quality is great and it blends in smoothly. Number 2. Sanjay Organic Umami Tamari Splash. This umami tamari splash is packed with umami flavor. It's made from ingredients with rich flavors, such as Sanjay tamari, red miso, black garlic, kombu, shiitake, and tomato. It makes every dish taste better. The fermentation process gives this gluten-free tamari soy sauce great flavor-enhancing properties. If you are gluten-free, you can try this soy sauce, which is verified by the Gluten-Free Certification Organization. Sanjay has brewed tamari using the same methods for 8 family generations. They uphold a commitment to use no artificial flavors while being certified organic, non-GMO project verified, certified vegan, and FODMAP friendly. Umami Tamari Splash is made to be a versatile partner to many of your favorite dishes. It has a unique application, splash on or splash in for less cooking involved compared to organic tamari soy sauce. While the sauces are filled with deliciously complex flavors, the mission is delightfully simple. It's to be a beacon of joy across the globe by bringing together 2 centuries of wisdom, exploration, bold flavors, and quality ingredients in every bottle. What we like. This tamari splash delivers rich umami flavor. It's also gluten-free and can be used in a variety of ways. If you like a versatile sauce that can be splashed on or in your dishes, you should consider this. What people say. Use as a marinade, an ingredient for a more complex sauce, or as a quick dash of magic on a bite of food. Excellent on fish or tofu. You can distinctly taste each of the flavors very well, couldn't be happier. Thicker than regular tamari but coats food well. Number 1. Takii Umami Powder, Shiitake Mushroom Flavor Enhancer. Umami is a savory taste, and this product unlocks it. This powder, made from shiitake mushrooms, will elevate your cooking to a new level of flavor. This product is your secret weapon for delicious meals. It's made from dried shiitake mushrooms, which have a more intense umami flavor. Use it to add instant flavor and depth to your dishes. Adding this powder is incredibly simple. Just add a teaspoon to your favorite dishes. It's perfect for soups, stir-fries, sauces, meat rubs, and salad dressings. Shiitake mushrooms are low in calories and packed with nutrients. This product is also gluten-free, soy-free, vegan-friendly, and contains no artificial flavors or MSG. This product contains only 4 ingredients: shiitake mushrooms, salt, mushroom extract, and calcium carbonate. It's a simple way to add savory goodness to everything you cook. What we like. This powder adds instant flavor and depth to your dishes. It's made from shiitake mushrooms and is gluten-free and vegan-friendly. If you like a quick and easy way to add umami to your cooking, you should consider this. What people say. Just a pinch turns soups, sauces, roasted veggies, or meats into flavor-rich delights. No MSG needed. Made solely from dried shiitake, no fillers, additives, or artificial flavors. Sprinkle into savory dishes anytime. It dissolves smoothly and enhances without dominating. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.